Hi, welcome back to Q&A with Chelsea Ray, and for today's question, we have, can this bed also go into the seated position, or does it only do bed to stand? Now that's a great question, and here's the answer. So, quick answer is yes, it does go into more than just the flat position and the standing position. As you can see here, I'm in the chair position. So with the remote, it has 6 buttons. It has head up, foot up, lift up, and flat. So the lift up would be if you're completely flat in the bed position or really whatever position you want to be in, and you hit lift up, it'll start standing you up. Obviously, if it's not already in the chair position, it has to get to the chair position in order to lift up, but it'll get you straight over there. And if you were standing up or in whatever position you want the bed in, and you hit flat, it will take you straight down to laying down. Now, if you wanted just the head up and you want to sit down in bed and watch TV or read a book, you can hit foot up, and it starts lifting the foot up, and you can just put it wherever you're comfortable. If you want to lounge around, you could do that. The only thing the bed does not do is elevate the feet past the flat position. So hopefully this answered that question well enough. Thank you for tuning in to Q&A with Chelsea Ray. If you have any other questions, go ahead and contact us right here. And until then, you have a great day.